When I was young, my grandpa told me one of the best things about coming here was to be able to start a business, to be able to work with your hands, and to be able to pass that business off to your son someday. So when my dad was running the business, it was a relationship business. It was our customers. It was our family. And you know, my dad reminisces a lot about the good old days, but I don't have time for that anymore. I have to adapt to now. Technology has changed the way we interact, and it's a good news, bad news thing. We don't have a bailout bell anymore, and I can get in touch with my wife like that. But it's made life tough for the body shop operator. It's hard to stay top of mind with the customer. They're bombarded with too much information. If I don't do everything I can to cultivate a direct and personal customer relationship, my business won't be around to pass on to my son. I consider myself pretty smart when it comes to technology, but I just can't keep up with the changes these days. This is how I make my money right here. Thankfully, I found a solution that not only helps me stay in business, but it helps me make a lot more money, and it's BodyShopNation.com. They do all the heavy lifting. They specialize in my field. What sets them apart is that you become part of a community of other business owners right down the street from you. Check this out.
Why BodyShopNation.com? Efficiency. You don't have the time to deal with the complexity of marketing in the digital world. Effectiveness. You stay top of mind with your customers and make it easy for them to refer others to your shop. Engagement. You become part of something bigger, a community of small businesses, your neighbors. The power of E3. A single source for all your online marketing tools designed exclusively for the independent operator. It begins with awareness before the need. You're visible because you're part of a community. They know who you are and request an estimate. You now know them, and you stay connected during the critical first 3 days when the customer makes that where to repair decision. The customer is appraised of the progress all the way through the repair process. Once completed, BodyShopNation.com keeps your shop top of mind because you have the same advanced marketing tools the big shops have, but at far less cost. You get it all: web, geolocating, mobile communication, social media, and more. Turnkey, affordable, simple. Get the power of E3 today with BodyShopNation.com.
Join me in the growing network of shop owners with BodyShopNation.com right now. It only takes a few moments, and you'll be glad you did.